Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me. Today we've got a Vee Carve Fail, I'm afraid. This Z-axis is eluding me. It needs calibrating. Today everything went smoothly except for the Z-axis. It dived too far down into the work. This coaster was just a test piece before I used some more expensive material. But I'm afraid it carved all the way through the coaster, and although I've learned quite a bit, especially when we look at the lovely V-shaped angles on the grooves, we can learn from that there's a lot of potential. But this Arduino and Gerbil need calibrating. It's beyond me at the moment, but I'm sure there's some instruction out there somewhere. My plan was always going to be to show the fails as well as the successes. So enjoy the short video, take from it what you can, but I'm afraid the end product wasn't usable. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. I've decided I'm going to cut away part of this perspex shoe on the router so we can see the V-bit in action in future videos. I have speeded up a bit of this video just to stop it being so boring, but it's a fine balance between showing everything and making a short video. If you built an Arduino controlled CNC router, I'd be very interested to know how you're getting on and how you've mastered some of these calibration issues. It was this outer line that undid the project. I was tempted to hit pause or cancel just after it had completed the lettering, but in for a penny, in for a pound. We won't learn anything if we don't try. But this was just a step too far. Oh dear. Stand-up comedy might be my next profession. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let's have a look at how it finished up. That speed clamp's working well. And yes, it came out as a two-piece construction kit. And let's have a look at the stills and see what we can make of them. We have to take as many positives as we can. This was some iPhone footage, just so I could upload a taster to Facebook. So this is the same process you've witnessed in all its glory. I wanted to show the depth of the lettering, but this perspex shoe on the router is getting in the way. And as I said earlier, I think I'll be taking a hacksaw to it, just so a bit better on the video stakes. So we're improving all the time, hopefully. Quick look at the Arduino and shield working away, and the XYZ coordinates. If you're still with me, well done for watching. As I say, a couple of stills, trying to show you the depth of the V bit. And now we're going to have a look at the piece in all its glory, and I want you to see the potential of the sides of the V cut. That's showing it edge on. 60-degree V bit doing its stuff. It's poor material, but the principle's there. Thanks for joining me. Join me again soon.